pictures they're taking there.
Pwede magpalit ng background.
Pwede. Iba na nga ngayon eh. Look, that is our picture for today. And Skyruns. Wow, that's Skyruns photos. Summer sensation. Thank you so much for being my friend to all of you guys. That is our picture for today and Tagaytay City. Wow. Ay, bakit hindi nakita?
Nag-share screen ka?
Hindi. Ano be? Pwede yun green screen.
Green screen tapos?
Green screen. Tapos pindutin mo mga pictures. Pwede mo i-share. That is taken by Vic Aplatos. Thank you so much, be. Please support Vic Aplatos. Where is the mga phone natin dito? Hindi na natin alam na saan. Hindi ko na alam mga phone ko. No. Hindi ko na alam na saan. May isa pa ako.
Nag-stop ulit yung laptop.
Ay, nag-stop ulit. Press mo ulit.
Nag-pause.
Pag nag-push siya, nagtatanong siya kung tutuloy ka pa ba. Ay, may tumatawag. Sino kaya to?
Baka sila.
Hindi. Thank you so much. Mega love shout out to all the people. That is my friend. We're having good time. Mama, my mama. Mama called me. That is one of the photos that we are taking in the ano guys. This one is taken by my Vic Aplatos. Please support sis Vic. Look at that guy. Yes. That is very funny there. Same in the BGC one, which is if you're gonna give some tip, he will dance, he will take a photo for you, he will just make funny things because you are giving him a tip. That is in Skyruns. Yes. It's not planted, guys, when we go there, Tagaytay, because it's an only instant and talks about my cousin want to go there. So, of course, I will not leave my friend in the house. I'm gonna bring. So I said, okay, let's go there. I'm gonna bring my friend. So it's a cousin's invitation. We go there. So we just follow. Thank you so much. That is our picture of the day. Saan yung mga picture natin ba? Yung kinuhanan mo dun sa sky. Pahingi ako. In-upload mo na sa YouTube, ano? Yung mga... Ha?
Yung mga picture natin?
Nag-upload ka?
Hindi pa. Sige, Bluetooth?
Ha?
Bluetooth?
Oo.
O Messenger na lang. Bluetooth na, para hindi mabawasan resolution.
Sige. Bluetooth na lang ito. Bluetooth
device.
Bluetooth na lang.
Ano?
A22.